going to start mixing all the ingredients. I have all the spices here. I'm adding a teaspoon of vegetable oil, orange juice, and I'm incorporating everything completely. Remember that the salt is to taste. I have the beef ribs here, and I'm going to start covering them with all the spices just like that from both sides. You want to make sure that you cover your ribs just like that. When you are completely done covering all the ribs, well, then let's just go ahead and cover them with foil paper. I have preheated my oven to 350 Fahrenheit, and they're gonna go in the oven for 90 minutes. Let's cover them, let's put them in the oven, and let's start cooking them. After the 90 minutes, let's get them out. Let's see how they are. They need to be nice and tender. Get a fork, and if the fork really goes in nice and soft, that's when you know that the ribs are ready. Let's add the barbecue sauce. You have the barbecue sauce recipe on my channel, but if you want to make it easier for yourself, just go buy barbecue sauce, the one that you love, the one that you usually use, and cover the ribs completely from every side. Once all your ribs are covered completely just like that, you know something, they have to be nice and soaked in barbecue because they come out so delicious, so amazing, that you guys are going to love this recipe. Okay, let's put it back in the oven for about 40 minutes. I'll see you back in 40 minutes. While they are cooking, I'm gonna make a mashed potato, and I'm using parsley and cheese, orange cheese. Here I have the potatoes. I'm going to go ahead and rinse them very good through running water. And you know that's a very important step. Let's go ahead and rinse them very good, one by one. And when these are done, then let's go to the working table. Let's start cutting the sides and start taking the skin completely off, making sure that we have no little black spots. Once these are completely done, let's cut them in little squares so that they all cook at the same time. I have a pan full of water, and I'm adding all the potato. I'm gonna rinse them, get all the starch out, and I'm adding some more water. And to this, I'm gonna go ahead and add some salt. Let's go to the stove. While we put them on the stove, let's add a teaspoon of vegetable oil so that the potato don't stick to the bottom or stick to each other. Just a teaspoon, really, you don't need too much. Let's incorporate it completely, and let's cook it for about 20 minutes. It really doesn't take too long. After the 20 minutes, get a fork, pinch one of them, and if it comes apart, then it's time to remove it from the water. Okay, I have all the potato pieces here, and now I am ready to start smashing them really good. You want to make sure that you smash them really good. After they're nice and smashed, we're going to add the cheese right on the top, and we're just going to incorporate it. We're going to add the parsley on the top, and look at this. The mashed potato is completely done. Remember, the salt is to taste. But this mashed potato really comes out so delicious and so soft and cheesy that you guys are really going to love it. By this time, you know something, I am ready to get the ribs out of the oven. They should be completely cooked. Okay, I'm getting the ribs out of the oven, and they are completely done. They're nice and brown from the top. You could see all those delicious barbecue on the top, all the delicious flavors, nice and crispy, nice and brown. And you know something, I am ready to plate it. I'm gonna start adding my barbecue ribs right here in this plate, of course for the presentation, but you could see all those delicious juices running out. The barbecue ribs are really nice and tender. You could really see them really nice and moist and soaked in the barbecue sauce. Look at this. My home smells amazing. My family can't wait to enjoy them. Well, you know something? I am ready to prepare my plate, and let me show you what I'm adding to it. I have the mashed potato. I have the edamame. Of course, the edamame recipe, you already have it on my channel, and my piece of barbecue rib. I am ready for the presentation, so I'll see you in a little bit. My mouth is watering. See you. Beef ribs full of barbecue sauce. Of course, I added some mashed potato, and this recipe of the edamame you already have on my channel. But you know something? Let me stop talking and let me enjoy this delicious barbecue ribs. Excuse me. You know something? The meat is so tender, so sweet with all that barbecue sauce. Just amazing. Let's see how the mashed potato came out. Amazing. I hope, my friends, you give it a try. Make it at home. Enjoy it with your family like I enjoy it with my family. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe. Leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make a delicious recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love.